Here's how we unlock a simple copy and paste blueprint that forces over $334 daily into our accounts in 23 seconds flat. 3 questions. Have you ever wanted to make an amazing living doing something you actually love? Do you ever feel like just quitting your job? Do you wish you could just have the freedom to do whatever you want? Then you're going to want to pay very close attention to this presentation. Hi, my name is John and I'm an affiliate and online marketer. And if you've ever felt frustrated and like nothing seems to work out, I can relate, because not so long ago I was in the exact same position as you. Before I discovered this secret blueprint, I always wanted to be a full-time online marketer. You see, I suspected the gurus knew something I didn't, but I didn't know for certain. I just had this nagging feeling that I was being kept in the dark. But the media and all my friends always said how powerful online marketing is. Did you know that stats reveal affiliate marketing is estimated to be worth $12 billion globally? And that the affiliate marketing industry has grown 52% for the past 5 years. In a few minutes, I'm going to reveal my secret blueprint. You're going to discover why this is the simplest way to stuff your account. Finally, I'll show you why my triple threat autopilot traffic source will send you all the buyer traffic you'll ever need. Watch now or miss out. See, this information is very controversial in nature. Therefore, I can't guarantee it will be around forever. Watch this presentation now, or you might never discover these secrets on your own. But if you thought your frustration in the past was bad, well, think of it like this. Nothing will prepare you for the future if you don't unlock these secrets. Introducing Profit Force. Now, I saw that ordinary people were really getting fooled by misinformation, and I wanted to help by sharing what works for me. So I decided to outline this secret blueprint for you. Solving all your marketing problems with Profit Force is easy. All you need to do is copy and paste my methods, then you're all set. With Profit Force, you can never worry about an empty affiliate account again. Profit Force comes packed with great features like triple threat traffic blueprint. Over-the-shoulder step-by-step videos show you exactly how to drive traffic to your money pages from 3 different sources. And it's beginner friendly. Just copy what you see on screen and you're all set. Profit Force A to Z blueprint. Discover our insider secrets for easily building out profitable campaigns. Steal the exact strategies we use to go from scratch to 10K a month. Set and forget automations. Uncover our time-saving automations to skyrocket your results. That once set up, runs 24/7 on autopilot. Done for you money pages and offers. No need to reinvent the wheel, just use what already works. We give you our own proven money pages that get results and set you up with done for you offers ready to profit. 3 lots of copy and paste to profit, real world case studies. These 3 video case studies show the power of Profit Force in action and give you every detail so you can duplicate our results. Tools, resources and insider extras. Save boatloads of time and money while skyrocketing your results. Click the button below now to get Profit Force for a low one-time fee. But don't just take our word for it. Here's what our beta testers are saying. Xavier says, this course is a very versatile system to set you down the right path of affiliate marketing at its finest. John teaches you everything step by step inside. Love the course and I know newbies will too. Rutten says, complete package to start making commissions right from today. Guides each and every step so elaborately that even a newbie will turn into an expert within minutes. And Harold says, this system is a complete affiliate newbie guide. If you're starting up, this is the product for you. No BS, no candy coding, straight up fast and simple. I often get asked the question, how do I know Profit Force will work for me? The truth is, this blueprint has consistently worked for 100% of beta testers. I also get the question, can I really do this? In reality, almost everyone can with hardly any effort at all. But there's more to Profit Force than what I've already told you. As a valued customer, you will get access to a private member area with VIP support. I'll also fully guarantee your purchase by giving you a 365-day guarantee. The price of all this is normally $47 per month, but today it's just $12.95. In fact, if you are quick, you might even get this even cheaper on an early bird special. We've also added some great bonuses. Bonus number 1, the OLSP Traffic Domination Group. This underground private group shows you how to dominate traffic. This is a value of $9.97. Bonus number 2, YT Velocity. My premium YouTube course on how I get free buyer traffic from YouTube without even showing your face on camera. This is a value of $297. Bonus number 3, Buyers List Bonanza. My premium list building course on how I grow my email list with free buyer traffic. Fast. This has a value of $197. Bonus number 4, the Super Shakedown. A series of masterclasses that outlines my entire business model, plus exposes the secrets from the world's highest paid super affiliates. This also includes bonus training from advanced marketers. This has a value of $497. But this offer is going to be around for a limited time only. We may even close the offer after 200 people get access. And it will be returning to a monthly fee after this launch period. Imagine knowing you had the opportunity to tap into this Profit Force system, but didn't. An opportunity like this is once in a lifetime. If you want to really create a life of freedom, the time to take action is now. The main reason newbie and intermediate marketers struggle is not having a system to easily follow, and Profit Force solves this with spades. Remember, you get Profit Force A to Z Blueprint, our insider secrets for easily building out profitable campaigns. The Triple Threat Traffic Blueprint, over-the-shoulder step-by-step videos show you exactly how to drive traffic to your money pages from 3 different sources. You also get Set and Forget Traffic Automations and done-for-you money pages and offers. P.S. Here's a recap of everything you're getting. You're getting the easiest and fastest way to fill your affiliate account with our A to Z Profit Force Blueprint and Triple Threat Traffic Sources. You also get the step-by-step tutorials and the 4 premium bonuses. Click the button below now to lock in the lowest price possible. The time to create your life of freedom is now. Click the button below to get started, and we'll see you on the inside.